This is a snow shed slash tunnel they had for the trains to keep them from getting buried in the snow before they moved the track to the other side of the valley, of course. The tunnel was made in 1916. This was just carved out of solid rock. Look at all the trees and stuff that just fell down through here, and this solid rock tunnel. This is pretty cool stuff. Back in this tunnel, as dark as a tomb. Now here's the other end, the gulch and a wooden snow shed. And there is the other end of the tunnel. The eerie darkness. You see the support timbers all collapsing in. Yeah, probably not a very safe place to be. And if you listen, every once in a while you can hear a rock fall. Well, here's a train trail. What do you call it? It's not a train bridge, but it's made to look like a train bridge. And it goes from a couple bulkheads where the train track used to go. It's really kind of cool. It's a walking bridge, made to look like a train bridge. And they set it on the original bulkheads. Boy, and look over the side. This side, that's not too far away. You look over this side, and it's way down there. Several hundred feet down there into the valley below. Yeah, well, let's continue across the track. Lots of train tunnels. This is the area you cannot go through. We're at the other end of the tunnel. And it's pretty well caved in. You can see all those timbers. This is a little gap where there was all a wooden cover, which is long gone. And then we just head through the old tunnel here. They had these water spouts along the side here to let the pressure off the walls. And you can see how they're still working to this day. Groundwater's just running through right out the sides. Right down onto the ground and out. That's what kept this particular part of the tunnel from caving in, is those things right there. KeeperoftheMountain.com